Hi, this is a quick update to this course and all my courses. There's a new opportunity I wanted to share with you. It doesn't matter if you're trying to become a better public speaker, communicator, media communicator, or you're trying to build personal development habits, whether it's being more creative, having more purpose in life. There's something new I wanted to share with you that I think is such a good opportunity and it costs nothing. You should hop in right now. That opportunity is TikTok. This is the first major new platform, social media, really in the last decade, that is taking off and seeing exponential growth. Now, you may have heard that TikTok is just for little kids, 12-year-olds and teenagers, and it is true. That's where it started, and it's still very popular with that crew. But more than 1.5 billion people have downloaded TikTok, and there are more than 500 million regular users every single month. Why am I excited about it? Well, it's frankly too late to easily just post a video on YouTube or even Facebook and have thousands of views come in and really have quick audience and engagement. TikTok is different. Their algorithms are different, and you can make a video, have absolutely no following whatsoever, and very quickly have thousands of views for a video, tens, even hundreds of thousands of views in your first month on TikTok. Why is that important? It's such a great, simple, easy way of practicing communication, practicing spreading your ideas, sharing your ideas, formulating ideas, building your own habits, and getting your ideas out to the world. This is an empowering thing because it's frankly very frustrating to spend a week or two editing and re-editing and scripts and all sorts of special effects for a YouTube video and have 3 views come out. TikTok is different. You just pick up your phone and you can talk. The other reason I like TikTok for all of my students is it's a great way to easily, even daily, build your public speaking skills and your confidence and your communication skills, your media skills, and your confidence skills. You don't have to have some big script. You don't have to have a TV studio like this. You just download the TikTok app. You go to your app store, download the TikTok app. I've got mine right here. You push a button and you talk for 15 seconds. Now, you could get fancier and edit. You could put music, lip sync. I think the easiest application for you and all of my students is to simply share one idea that you have that is useful to your customers, clients, prospects, your community, people who care about what you do. This is a great way to showcase your creativity, your thought, your intellectual property. I do one every single day, 7 days a week, vacation or not, because it's so simple, it's so quick, it's so easy. This builds confidence. Now, let me say right up front, I'm not an investor in TikTok. I don't own TikTok. I benefit from this in no way. I'm not selling anything. The TikTok app is free as long as you have a cell phone, which I assume you do. You can download the TikTok app and start communicating right away. I know that for many of you, it's been frustrating to learn how to speak on camera, formulate ideas, formulate new good habits, produce something, and then crickets. You don't hear from anyone. The beauty of TikTok is they quickly put your videos out in front of hundreds and hundreds of people every single time. And you are going to get feedback. I've received more meaningful comments and feedback from people on TikTok than I have all other social media platforms combined, sometimes over a several-year period. More comments in a week or even a day on TikTok videos. It's also, as I mentioned, the first new social media platform that's come out in the last decade that has really had exponential growth, that's still here, and where it's easy for a newcomer to hop in. You might be a teenager, you might be someone in the late 50s like me, you could be 85 years old, but if you want to share, it's quick, it's easy, it's simple. I urge you to go ahead, download the TikTok app, and it's just spelled Tiktok app on your cell phone right now, and go ahead and make a video. Try to do it if not a daily basis, then a weekly basis. You will not regret it.